At Ramah High School, we mean business. Our School of Business is at the heart of what we do, preparing every student with real-world skills. Through business, welding, automotive technology, and leadership programs, we give students multiple pathways to success.
In the School of Business, we learn how to manage business ventures, create marketing plans, and work as a team. It feels good to know these are skills I'll use no matter what career I choose.
In welding, we get to work with our hands. I've learned how to cut, shape, and join metal safely. And it's exciting to think these skills can take me straight into a career.
Automotive technology is about problem solving. We learn how engines work, how to diagnose issues, and how to make repairs.
It's preparing me for work in the shop or even to start my own business someday. Automotive has given me more opportunities in life, and there's women that can do it too.
We want our students to think like leaders. From financial literacy to entrepreneurship, they're gaining skills that will help them succeed in business and in life.
Programs like welding and automotive give students hands-on experience. These are high-demand trades, and students graduate ready to step into good-paying jobs.
As a student ambassador, I get to represent our school and welcome visitors. It's taught me confidence and leadership, and I'm proud to show what Ramah has to offer.
In math class, our teacher is really pushing us to be an effective collaborator and work as a team.
Being part of BPA has given me the chance to compete, meet new people, and show the business skills we've learned in class.
It's been helping me prepare for college experiences and for a career in business.
Whether through business, welding, automotive, or leadership programs like BPA, our students are gaining the skills and confidence to thrive in college, career, and life.